Hello everybody, my name is Reese Fellers and today I will be explaining to you why things change color or how things change color. So let's get into the science behind it. Things have color based upon the wavelengths of light they are reflecting into our eyes. If an object has changed color, it's because your eyes have seen a new wavelength of light. As a little fun fact, sometimes that new color of light that you see has actually been there all along. It just started reflecting more due to certain light that is in the area. So multiple factors do go into an object reflecting it, and so hopefully these examples I'm going to share with you will help you get a better understanding. Now, let's move on to leaves. You ever wonder why in the summertime leaves are green, but in autumn they're more brown, yellow, or orange? Well, it's actually quite simple. So, many substances that reflect different colors of light are going on inside the leaves. So during the summer, the most prevalent substance is chlorophyll, and chlorophyll reflects green light very easily. So that's why leaves are appeared green. In autumn, however, lower levels of sunlight result in lower levels of chlorophyll. So with the lower levels of chlorophyll, the colors of orange and brown and yellow are going to be more prevalent because there's not as much chlorophyll to be reflected. Now, let's move on to metals. As you can see, we have the Statue of Liberty here. She has also gone through her own type of changing color. Now, this is more of a chemical reaction, but it still kind of gives us the same idea. So when she first came to America, she was actually not this green mint color you see before you. She was actually kind of bronze and not looking like this. But due to oxidation and water and corrosion and all that stuff, she actually started reflecting new light, new wavelengths, because more chemicals that got onto her started becoming more prevalent, kind of how like the leaves had those different types of elements within inside them. Now let's move on to animals, and the most notable animal for color changing is the chameleon. So the chameleon changes color because it manipulates a specialized cell called chromatophores. These cells contain different colors of pigment. So when chameleons want to convey a particular mood or message to others, their brains send signals to their chromatophores. Their chromatophores then move pigment around to reflect different wavelengths of light. So I know most people think that chameleons will just do this to camouflage themselves, but actually they do this sort of relaying to their chromatophores to express their certain moods, which is kind of cool. So in conclusion, things change color based on the object and the systems involved. However, the main takeaway should be that changing colors is based on different wavelengths of light being reflected back into our eyes. I hope this presentation helped, and I hope that the examples listed kind of gave you a better understanding of why things change color. I hope you all have a good day.